God! Hey y'all! So, it's been nearly a year since I last uploaded my first MV reaction video. So, kung hindi nyo pa napanood yung pinakauna kong MV reaction video na nag-react ako doon sa music video ng Mama Mo na Hip, you can click the eye above my head upang i-check nyo, okay? So today I'm going to react to the uncensored version of the MV of Nature, which is R&A or Girls. Ang last comeback ng Nature is yung Oopsie My Bad, which is yung comeback kung saan nag-debut si Sohee. So kung hindi kayo familiar kay Sohee, she was a former Produce 101 contestant. So for this comeback, nag 360-degree turn ang Nature and nag-transition sila to a more mature concept. So, ito yung mature side ng Nature na hindi pa pinakita doon sa general public. So, this is actually the first time na nag-try ng ganitong concept ang Nature. So, enough chit-chat, I'm going to react to the uncensored version of Girls R&A by Nature.
A few moments later.
Okay, hindi ako makapaniwala. Nagsisi po ako kung bakit pinanood ko ito at night time. My God! Okay, nagsisi na po ako. I instantly regretted kung bakit nag-video reaction ako ngayon gabi. Oh God, hindi ko po... Oh my God, I'm at loss for words. So, wait lang, hindi ko pa... Okay. So, ito pala yung reason kung bakit na-ban yung official music video ng Girls R&A. It's because there are some scenes na hindi suitable for young audiences. Kasi most of the scenes doon sa uncensored version contains blood and it's too creepy eh. I mean, di mo kayang tignan na may isang scene na puro dugo and there are some things na hindi talaga kayang itingnan, and this is not also for the faint-hearted. So I take back what I said a few minutes ago na sinasabi ko na it looks very similar dun sa official music video. So I'm so sorry. Pero nagets ko na kailangan nila i-edit out yung mga scenes na I think it's gory to watch and too creepy to watch as well. So, nagigets ko na kung bakit na-ban yung official music video na ito. I hope I will get some decent sleep tonight after I watch the uncensored version. So, nakita na natin yung differences doon sa official music video and yung uncensored version. And kung matitingnan ninyo, they have the same time length, which is 3 minutes and 31 seconds. Ang pagkakaiba lang is yung scenes that medyo not suitable talaga for young audiences, and this video is not also for the faint-hearted. So in my opinion, dapat nagka-first win ang nature for Girls R&A. And I'm still surprised na until now, hindi pa rin nagka-first win yung nature for this song. Because I know that the cute concept is so generic sa mga girl groups and boy groups usually, pero it's about time that they give recognition doon sa nature kasi they worked hard for this comeback. And even though that there is one member na who is sitting out for this promotion na si Sunshine because she had an injury, kaya hindi nyo makikita doon sa mga dance parts of R&A, pero siya yung girl na naka-pixie cut, so siya lang yung naka-short hair doon. Pero overall, I really love their comeback. So what do you think of Nature's drastic concept change and their comeback? Do you like it? Let me know doon sa comment section, okay? So that's it for this video. Thank you so much. Don't forget to click like, subscribe to my channel, and share this video, okay? I'll see you guys next time. Bye!